If your Philips Sonicare toothbrush won't turn on, don't panic. Most issues are easy to fix. Start by charging it on the original charger for a full 24 hours. A blinking light or beep usually means it's charging. Next, check the power button for toothpaste buildup or debris and clean around it with a damp cloth, making sure the button presses smoothly. Test the wall outlet with another device, and if it's a GFCI outlet, reset it or try a different plug. Also confirm the brush head is properly attached. A small gap is normal, but it must be secure for the handle to vibrate. If it still doesn't work, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. For more stubborn issues, use the advanced 10 to 6 reset. Place the toothbrush on the charger, hold the mode button, then press the power button exactly 10 times. Release both buttons, then repeat by holding the mode button and pressing the power button exactly 6 times. If successful, you'll hear 3 beeps. This clears most software glitches. If the power button itself is damaged, a temporary workaround is to clean the area, cover it lightly with plastic wrap, and secure it with clear tape to keep moisture out. This is only a short-term fix. Always use the original Philips charger, and if none of these steps work, contact Philips Sonicare support for repair or warranty help.